So hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And yeah, it's been a while. I dropped video. Been having some technical issues, but yeah, sorted out and I'm back. So let's see what has been happening. DXY struggling really hard to hold on to that level. Let's look at DXY before we look at BTC. So I'm going to use this. So let's check out higher time frame. Let's see a daily time frame here first. So if you have been following my update, you will notice that I've been talking about this head and shoulder top here. As you can see it clearly here, head and shoulder top. So basically what is very important here is the break of this level. Price must break this level before we get that push to the downside. And if you check the weekly time frame here, we'll have this level of resistance, which is now the future support. And if we take this down to this level, we have a big range where price would likely come back into. So as it is now, as it stands now, price is still looking at this level, holding strong at this level. If we get that break to the downside, let me see, if we get that break to the downside this way, then we're going to get that push towards this level here. So let's look at BTC to see what we have here, what is building up here in BTC. Yeah, so if you have been following my update on my channel, you would notice that I've been talking about first thing first. I updated this inverted head and shoulder, and now we're looking at something totally different. So first thing first, let's use the Ichimoku. I want to show you guys something. Let's use the doubled cloud settings, or let me see. Okay, let's just go ahead with our this first. Let me explain the levels here. So what are those levels here? Come in. So what are those levels here? If you pay close attention to what is happening here, I talked about this ascending support, on which we have this left, I have this head, and we'll have this right. So if we get a break below this level, we'll likely face this here. So it's just pretty straightforward. Nothing really confusing about that. So one thing I want to talk about is that we're still very much early in this move. Yes, very much early, but you don't expect price to keep pushing higher and higher without any pullback. Yes, there must always be a pullback before a continuation. Okay, so I'm looking at a possible test of this level here, and this level, it was formerly the previous resistance, which built up the neckline of the inverted head and shoulder. So if this goes below this level, might likely test this 25k or a little bit flip into it and come back up. Okay, so it's not something which should we should run away from. It's normal. That's the normal market cycle. So so let's look at let's go down to lower time frame here. So you need to be careful with what is happening here. I'm seeing some kind of ascending triangle chart pattern building up here, but I'm not really confident about that because a lot of things will likely play out here. So it's better you rather wait for this, or you wait for this close support here. So let me show you guys the support. So let's see 30 minutes time frame here. So so you can wait for this here, and this and this are very two most important support level which we'll pay attention to. Okay, yeah, what more again? Let's check the weekly time frame now. There's something I want to talk about here, fast one, before I call it a day. Okay, let me see. Let me see. I need to use log. Yeah. Okay. So I want to talk about something here using the Ichimoku default settings on the weekly time frame. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to this. It's very, very clear that patience is the key to trading. Now, what does that mean? If you can look at what happened here, when we had this red cloud here, before we got this Kumo twist. This cloud is called the Kumo, and when it twists from the red to blue, it's called the Kumo bullish twist. But when it twists from the green to the red, it's called the Kumo bearish twist. Okay, hope that is fully understood. So now look at what is happening here. We've had this from here to this, and the upper cloud and the lower cloud, they are coming very close. Now whenever you see something coming very close like this, price would not there are two things that will likely happen. It's either price is pushing higher or price is consolidating. Okay, now everything is totally flat here. The red EM is called the Tenkan flat. The Kijun here is flat too as well. Now, why price is gradually consolidating, each and every candlestick you're seeing here opens and closes weekly. So this is a weekly time frame. Yeah. So now when we get this is our second bullish signal. What was the first bullish signal? Was this the blue EMA crossing the red from bottom to top, which is the TK bullish cross. And the next one we're going to get here would likely be our Kumo bullish twist. Now the last one is the Chico span. The Chico span needs to go above the cloud. This will likely result to what we'll call edge to edge. Price is inside the cloud though, so there's high probability if this level of support holds, then we're going to get price pushing above to this level. Okay, it's very, very straightforward, and there's nothing hidden about it. Okay, so weekly time frame is especially made for those that would buy and hold for some time. When it goes up, the sell. Okay, so it requires a whole lot of patience. Okay, so I'll continue to update this video weekly and most times daily and monthly. Okay, if you have not joined my Signal group, do well to check the link in the description and join. Let me know what you think about this video. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, everything and anything I share in this video is not intended as financial advice. So guys, stay safe and happy trading. Goodbye.